Hello guys, I got this electric scooter for $246 at Amazon, and it's 350 hub motor on it. So if for its class, is I would say the cheapest you can get it right now on online or surfing the web. But by looking at this, it's just interesting. The quality is pretty, I would say it's about almost the same thing. I would compare it to a Xiaomi and also to a Hover-1 electric scooter. But of course, those electric scooter like the Xiaomi is gonna cost you about almost $300 to $400, and also with the Hover-1, and or you can get the SwagTron. But this one here is $246, and you can get it right now at Amazon. And the tire on this is awesome. The feature it is giving you, I mean, it has the X Pro app. It has a LED display. It has 3-speed. I mean, you know, it has 15 miles range. I don't know about that, but it says on the spec, you know, the speed on this one is 15 miles an hour. I guess you can probably hack it, you know, make it more go faster. But anyway, if you just want to go right around, I think it's the way to go. But the good thing about it has 3-speed, and for $246 right now, this is gonna be a bargain. I mean, you're gonna be using this, especially summer coming up, and this is gonna, you know, spend time. You can actually buy 3 or 4 of these. You know, you can have one for your wife or your kids, or, you know, or just for the price. It's just completely insane, and you don't have to worry about fixing tires anymore because you already have that the punctured tires on there. They already give that to you. And this is what it comes in the box. So it comes with this instruction. Of course, you don't need the air pump anymore. And the tire in this is, I mean, it's just nice. It looks much thicker, I would say. And yes, this scooter here, there's no brand on it. I would say, I don't know if this, you could call it a knockoff, but hey, if they have the same feature as the, you know, Xiaomi or other, I call this Hover-1 or SwagTron companies out there, why not? You know, I would say this is probably a killer out of all those. I mean, think about it. I mean, this gives you more feature than what the other manufacturers company out there is giving you. And it has a LED display. I mean, everything is just, I mean, I think what it is basically it's a big Chinese manufacturer out there in China, and they probably make this, and what they did is all this company, they're buying this, is just putting their logos on it. I think it's just all in one factory of electric scooter, and they just, company is just branding it on their brands, I would say. And it comes with this charger here. And he says about 2-3 hours to charge, about 2 hours, I would say. But hey, you know, and you have that 350 hub motor. I think it's the way to go. So definitely check it out, man. I mean, you can't find something right now out there. I mean, there's one for like $260, $270, but this one is $246, and with lots of feature that comes with this electric stand-up scooter. So it's crazy. And now in 2020, you can save your money, man. And you can, you know, instead of you spending $500 in one of these, you can get it for $246. And I actually have, if you guys can see my previous video, I actually have a Hover-1 scooter. I would say it's about the same thing with this, same color, but the brand is Hover-1. And when I got it, I think I got it for like around $350 or $320 or something like that. And now I found this on Amazon for $246. And by me looking at it, you know, touching it all up and having experience with the electric scooter, this definitely. And look at this, the app, guys. I mean, the app on this is very interesting. It gives you more than, I would say, to compare to other scooters. Like this one right here, it gives you the speedometer. It tells you your scooter of the if it's running hot. It has overheating warning signs on it. It has multiple setups here by just showing it to you guys here. It shows the speed, it shows 3-speed on this one too, and in this right here you can actually have 2 modes. You can push to go, or you can just automatically press the button and you go, you know. So there's 2 modes in that one. There is one mode that you can save. There's other mode that you can just be like 12 miles an hour to maintain your battery. And there's one called the sport mode, or you can go speed. And look at this. This is the headlight. You can change the coloring of the headlight. That's awesome on this electric scooter. And it's easy. The app is simple. It's, I would say, intuitive. So you should definitely check this out, man. And I mean, there's more on the app that you can do. And I think it's interesting that I found this in Amazon. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and test this out. Check out my next video. I will put this thing to the test and see how good is this. Now, I don't want to say knockoff. I guess this is, I would say, a good, you know, bargain scooter that you can find online, that you can share it with your family and your, like I said, you know, you can buy 2 to 3 of these without no problem. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.